Keep your hands out of your pockets. Yeah. Keep your hands out of your pockets. Hands out of your pockets. Yeah, that's it. Turn around.
Hey everyone, I'm bringing you some more cop watching footage. This one is accompanied by Bodycam as well. I already posted the video of this DUI stop, and once I reviewed this Bodycam footage of the stop, I wanted to post it along with my footage. I think there are some important things to pay attention to in this video. To set it up, at this point in the video, the WSP trooper giving the field sobriety test had already performed the follow my pen back and forth and up and down test. If you want to see that footage, again, I already posted it and the link is in the description. I'm not going to make a judgment on whether or not he was impaired or not. I do know that when I take to the road, even as a passenger, I understand I am exposing myself to many unnecessary risks. I know this may sound out there, but really think about it. Just stepping outside of your residence every day exposes you to risks that you could avoid. The further you venture away and the more activities you do, you put yourself more at risk of something bad happening. Getting on the road is no different, and in fact drastically takes the probability of something bad happening up. The idea that giving the cops the ability to stop us from our natural right to travel freely and detain us for victimless crimes somehow keeps us safer is just like every other sense of security the government provides. False. I know some will say the cops keep our roads safer, taking drunk drivers off the streets. I would agree that they do take a minimal amount of impaired drivers off the road, making our roads safer. However, this is almost impossible to quantify. We can't really use that as an argument. It's based in emotion, not truth or fact. What we can say is we have given up our right to travel freely for the immeasurable increase in safety we are told is there as a result of DUI stops and arrests. Seems I've heard this idea before. Those who are willing to give up their liberty for the sake of security deserve neither. Now on to topic number 2. I'm constantly reminded by civic leaders and corporate media what heroes these order followers are. Yet time after time, they act like cowards. What hero is scared of a guy that is much smaller than him when the hero has a taser, a badge, public opinion, and qualified immunity? Yet, we see and hear on this Bodycam footage, this WSP trooper is constantly worried about this DUI suspect putting his hands in his pocket. Now this is just my opinion, but it appears in the end, when the arrest is made, it is more because the suspect keeps putting his hands in his pockets than the trooper being confident in the DUI. Like I said, I'm trying to hold judgment on the impairment issue and already said my piece there. I'm trying to point out this order-following hero seemed very scared for his safety with the seemingly relaxed suspect. I just don't get it. All this being scared does nothing to de-escalate the situation. In fact, it only seems to escalate. Watch, listen, and let me know what you think. Coward or hero?
Steps down the line, turn, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Good, I didn't tell you to start yet. All the way up. This isn't hard. These are very simple instructions. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Right, just like that. Stand like that until I tell you to move. When I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, turn and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Each time ensuring that you touch heel-to-toe on each step, counting aloud so I can hear you, hands down at your side. Alright? You're standing just like this right now. When I tell you to start, you're going to start walking. 1, 2, 3. Just like that till you've reached your 9th step. Once you've reached your 9th step, keep your lead foot on the line, turn, and get 9 back. You understand that? Get your foot together. Touch it. Alright, begin. Prevent you from standing on one leg. You can't take off. Now put your feet together like I do. Hands down your side. When I tell you to, I want you to raise one foot, whichever one you feel most comfortable. It doesn't matter to me, either your right or your left. You're going to raise it 6 inches off the ground like I'm doing. Pointing your toes to the bottom of your foot is parallel to the ground. Keeping both legs straight and both hands down at your side. I want you to look at your toe and count aloud. 1001, 1002, 1003. At that rate, until I tell you to stop. You understand that? No? You do understand it? Begin. Keep going.
What?
Until I tell you to stop. Keep going. 6 inches. Do you mind providing a voluntary breath sample on a portable breath tester?
What was that?
Do you mind keep your hands out of your pockets? Do you mind providing a voluntary breath sample on a portable breath tester?
Sure.
Okay, come over here. Come here.
Do I have to do this?
What's that?
Do I have to do this?
Just stay right there. No, it's voluntary. You want to provide a voluntary breath sample?
And if I don't?
I'm going to have to make a decision whether or not I feel you're over the state's legal limit.
Can I ask my girlfriend?
No. No. Keep your hands out of your pockets. You want to provide a voluntary breath sample? Hands out of your pockets. Yeah, that's it. Turn around. Spread your feet.
Hey.
Where are you headed? To call you a cab? Okay. Is anybody that could come get you?
No. I'm the only one that drives in my family. So.
Okay. Where are you headed?
If I want to, I would stay and watch the business meeting the shop.
Okay. Not too far. Okay, that's fine. That works for me. The car is going to get impounded because he's arrested for DUI. So, but if you want to walk, you can. Okay.
You have Uber on your phone or something?
Yeah, but I don't have the money to pay for it.
Oh.
So, it would be no good. I can't.
Yeah. I'm happy to call you a cab if you want.
Frank, money, I would give you.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Fair enough.
Back to these order followers we are told are heroes and how they keep us safe. Do you think it was in the interests of this woman's safety they just made her walk home or wherever she was going this late at night? Or were these cops more concerned with extorting more money for the state through victimless crimes than making sure this woman gets home safe? Call me crazy, but I have a stinking suspicion if this was a hot blonde or someone these order followers held in higher regard, they would have offered her a ride. At least, I know I've heard firsthand accounts of things like that happening. Thanks again for watching, guys. I have more of this body cam footage to show. For your sake, I'm trying to keep the length of my videos down. In order to do that, I'm making another video with the rest of this body cam footage. It includes the thoughts these cowards have towards us filming them. I hope you guys enjoy the videos I put up and the content they contain. I really enjoy the support of each and every one of you. I wanted to give you guys a way to show your support for Questionable Authority and help me be able to bring you more content and invest more time in this venture. I've created a merchandise store where you can score some QA gear to help keep this going and show your pride in Questionable Authority everywhere. Pick out of the 3 designs I have ready now to put on a shirt, a hoodie, a coffee mug, or a phone case. As an introductory offer, using the code on the screen now or get it in the description, you can get 15% off your order until October 21st. I currently have 3 designs you can choose from. The classic Questionable Authority logo reminding everyone to film the police. In addition to that, we have a shirt reminding everyone to question the current puppet on the throne of the corporate states of America. Lastly, a local favorite to the inland Northwest, Sheriff Ozzie Knezovich is such a tyrant in the area, his opponent, who conveniently died in a motorcycle accident recently, officially changed his name to dumpozzie.com. Now, you can carry on that spirit with a Question Ozzie shirt, reminding everyone to question the authority of those enforcing the laws of our masters. Guys, I really enjoy doing this, and all of your support means so much. Go check out the store using the link in the description after you hit the like button, share this video with all your friends, and leave me a great comment. Thanks again for checking out Questionable Authority. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with all your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed already, do it now and click the bell so you get notified of new content. Know your rights. Knowledge is power, my friends.